B point lies on the line of symmetry, therefore B has no reflection. But from this line, I will move towards the A and count the chamber. These chambers are 1, 2, 3. Three chambers. I move on the right hand side 3 chambers away from this line. 1, 2, 3, and reach the point C. Question 11. So it is being asked find the occasion of straight line. Straight line, that line passes through a point whose coordinates are given. The coordinate of this point is 3 minus 2, and the gradient of this line is same as the given line. Given line which is given over here is 2y is equal to 5x plus 7. In the last video, I have told you that if you are given an occasion, then how can you find the gradient of that occasion? So here given is over here is 2y is equal to 5x plus 7y. You make y as subject. So there is 2 attached to this y. I shift this 2 words on other side. So I will put 2 underneath this 5 and as well as this 2. Now the coefficient of what? Coefficient of x is called gradient of the line. So here coefficient of x is 5 by 2. So gradient of this line is 5 by 2, and the occasion of the line which is in demand, it has the same gradient as this line. Our required line has gradient equal to 5 by 2. I will solve it by 2 ways. First way, I use the formula y minus y naught is equal to m x minus x naught. X naught and y naught, this is x naught over here and this is y naught over here. I put the y naught value which is minus 2 over here, and the gradient over here is 5 by 2. X minus x naught, which is x, what is x? X naught is 3. Y plus 2 is equal to 5 by 2. X minus 5 3 is a 15 over 2. I take this 2 on other sides. 5 by 2x minus 15 by 2 minus 2. I solve it this 15 by 2 and 2 by using the method of LCM. So I multiply this 1 by 2 and this 2. 5 by 2x minus 2 2s are 4. 15 minus 4 minus 19 over 2. So this is the occasion of line. So other method is I use occasion y is equal to mx plus c. On the place of y, I will put this minus 2. Sorry, this is minus 2. And on the place of m, I put 5 by 2, and the value of x over here is 3. This is question 11 of exercise 6C of D3 math. Plus c. Minus 2. 5 3 is a 15 over 2. Plus c. I shift this minus 2 on other side. Solve it. So taking the method of LCM, I multiply this 1 by 2 and this 2 by 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 15. Minus 4 minus 15. So minus 19 over 2. This is the value of c. Now what is the occasion of line? Y is equal to mx plus c. So this is a long method. So if you use the formula which is y minus y naught m x minus x naught, then the question become very short. The answer of the question is very short. So I will do now question number 12. If you look at question number 12, So in this question it is being asked, find the occasion of the straight line which passes through the point. Here point is given. Here point is 3 1. This is the coordinates of the point, and gradient is also given. Gradient is given 3. Quite easy questions if you use formula y minus y naught m x minus x naught. I put the value of y naught which is over here is 1, m is 3, and x naught has value equal to 3. Y minus 1, 3x minus 9, y is equal to 3x minus 9 plus 1. This 1 is shift on other sides, y is equal to 3x minus 8. This is the one way. If I use the formula y is equal to mx, if I use this formula y is equal to mx plus c, on the place of m I put 3, on the place of y and x, on the place of x I will put this 3, and the value of y is 1 in this occasion. So 1 is equal to 9, 1 minus 9 is equal to, then c has value equal to minus 8, 1 minus, so 1 minus 9 is equal to minus 8. So I have calculated value of c. When I use this formula, first this formula is used to find the value of c. What is c? C is the y-intercept. I use this formula y is equal to mx plus c. By this formula we will calculate the value of c. In this formula we will put the value of y, put the value of m and x. What is the value of y? Value of y is over here is this 1, and value of x is this 3, and m is given by the question. So I will put all these value in this occasion. So I put y, the value of y which is 1, I put on the place of y 1, and then I put the value of m which is 3 over here, I put this value, then I put the value of x which is 3. So in this way I calculated value c. Now again I use this formula y is equal to mx plus c. Now put the value of m which is over here is 3, and put the value of c which is m. So now in this way I have calculated the occasion of line which is y is equal to 3x minus 8, same as it is we have calculated by using this formula which is y minus y naught is equal to mx minus x naught. Both have same answers. So it is on you which formula do you prefer. Now I will do the question number 13 of exercise 6c. The chapter is related to coordinate geometry. This is the topic of O level math syllabus of O level math. Question number 12, this I will do part 2. In part 2, find the coordinates of the points of intersections of the line in one with the line y is equal to x. We have calculated the occasion of line just now, which is y is equal to 3x minus 8. The given line in part 2 is y is equal to x. We solve them and find the point of intersection. So this is occasion 1, so then this is occasion 2. We will compare these two occasions. I will the left hand side of this occasion is y, this is also y. So when we make comparison, then 3x minus 8 is equal to x. The left hand side of this occasion is y, the left hand side of this occasion is y. Both occasions have same left hand side, therefore their right hand side would be equal. So these left and right hand sides put equal to each other. Now this x is shift on this side and 8 is on this side. 2x is equal to 8, x is equal to 8 by 2. Now what is the value of x? It is 4. I put this value in this occasion. This occasion is y is equal to 4x, sorry, y is equal to x. So put the value of x over here. So y has value equal to 4. The point of intersection you have calculated. तो हमारे पास जो पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन है वो यहाँ पर 4, है. दिस इज़ द पार्ट 2 ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. Now I will do question number 13, which is a very long question and it has 4 parts. You are given a line. What is the equation of this line? 5x plus 6y plus 30 is equal to 0. This is occasion of a straight line. It is said given point P is given, which is over here 3 minus 1. The coordinate of P are 3 comma minus 1. No, in first part it is being asked, what is being asked? Coordinate of the point where line crosses x-axis. I have just told you in the previous video that if the line cuts x-axis, then that point has coordinate x comma 0. When a line cut x-axis, its y coordinate is put equal to 0. Its y coordinate is 0. So this is the given occasion. This line cuts x-axis. So I will put 0 on the place of y. This is y. I will put on the place of y 0. 6 zeros are 0. This 0 is vanish. And 30 is put on the right hand side. X is equal to minus 30 over 5. This 5 is taken on this side. So then you will have the value of x minus 6. So that point which is on x-axis, its coordinate are minus 6, 0. Minus 6, 0 is the point where this line cuts x-axis. This is the given line. Cuts x-axis at this point which is minus 6, 0. Also in part 2 जो है, it is being asked, what is being asked? Coordinate of the line of intersections of L. L line जो आपको दी हुई है, what is this L line? 5x plus 6y plus 30 is equal to 0. And another line which is x is equal to 2. Can they find the intersections of these two lines? You know that what is this? X is equal to 2. So it means the value of x is 2. I put in this line the value of x which is 2. So in this occasion I put 2 on the place of x. Now I calculate 30 plus 10, 40, 40 is taken on other side, minus 40 over 6, y is equal to, by cutting 40 and 2 20s are 2 3s are. So that point which is point of intersection of these two lines, what are these two lines? These two lines, its point of intersection is what? 2 comma minus 20 over 3. Here this is the value of y, this is the value of x, therefore point of intersection is what? 2 comma minus 20 over 3. Now in part 3 जो है, it is being asked find the occasion of line passing through P whose coordinates are 3 minus 1, and this line, required line, has same gradient as this line has. You know that if you are given a line and you have to calculate the gradient of this line whose occasion is given, then how can you find it? You can find it easily by making y as subject, then the coefficient of x is the gradient. I will first make y as subject. This is 6y. So I shift this 5x and 30 on other side, it becomes minus 5x minus 30. Take this 6 on other side, minus 5 by 6x minus 30 by 6. No, this is the coefficient of x, this is the gradient. This is gradient of given line, and the line to be asked has same gradient as this line has. No, this required line has same gradient as -5/6. अब आपने क्या करना है, यहाँ पर हमने ओकेजन जो है निकालनी है. You are given a point as well as a gradient. Now I use the formula y is equal to mx plus c. So in this, by this formula we will first calculate the value of c. I will put the value of y and x and n. Y value is this -1, x value is this 3. I use this point P. On the place of y I put -1. On the place of m I put 5/6. On the place of x I put 3. Do cancellation, 3 ones are 3, 2s are 6. -1 is equal to -5/2. I shift this -5/2 on other side. With the help of LCM, I will solve this left hand side. So 3/2 is the answer, C. So I have calculated C. Now we have C as well as M. We have C as well as M. M is what? 5/2. And C is what? 3/2. I use the formula y is equal to mx plus c. I put the value of m, which is -5/6, and put the value of c, which is 3/2. Now this is the occasion of required line जो है. The last part of this question 13 of exercise 6C is find the occasion of the line passing through P. Here it is also kept the line passes through P, which has coordinate and it has gradient of 0. Gradient 0 m is equal to 0. So first I will find the value of c using this formula y is equal to mx plus c. I will put the value of y, m and x in this way. We can calculate the value of c. What are the value of y and x? -3 is the value of x, -1 is the value of y, m is 0. I will put on the place of -1 on the place of y. M has 0 value, x has 3 value. So in this way we calculate the value of c, which is -1. Now occasion of line, now we will find. So we will put the value of m and c in this occasion. So what is the value of m? It is 0. And what is the value of c? It is -1. So y is equal to 0 -1. The occasion is y is equal to -1. Exercise 6C. So here a line L passes through the points A, 0. You are given now 2 points. A point which has coordinate 0, 3, and other point is B, which has coordinate 3 and 12. So first in A part, find the gradient of the line. उसने gradient जो पूछा हुआ, gradient is the being asked. So gradient, when you are given 2 points, so what is the formula for gradient? y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. If this is x1, so then this is y1. If this is x2, so then this is y2. So 12 minus 3 and 3 minus 0. 12 minus 3 and 3 minus 0. So 12 minus 3 is 9 and 3. The gradient is over here is 3. So I have calculated first part of part A. Now second part of part A, the occasion of the line. So you have calculated m is equal to 3 and you use either of these 2 points, A or B. I take A because its x coordinate is 0, which makes the solution quite easy. So जब भी आपने एक ओकेजन ऑफ लाइन जो है आपके पास, जो गिवन ओकेजन ऑफ लाइन है वो है y इज इक्वल टू एम एक्स प्लस सी. To use this occasion of line y is equal to mx plus c, you must have the value of m as well as c. I have calculated value of m in the last part. So first I will calculate c by putting the value of x, m and y. Y is 3 over here, x is 0 over here, m is 3. I put the values of these three variables. I put 3 on the place of y, put 3 on the place of m and 0 on the place of. So in this way I calculate the value of c, which is over here is 3. No, 3 is the value of c. So occasion of line, no, I will use this occasion again, and no, put the value of only m and c. M has value 3 and c has also value 3. Therefore occasion of line in part 2 is 3x plus 3. To solve part B, you are given point A which has coordinate 0, 3 and B has coordinate 3, 12. इन पार्ट बी जो है फाइंड द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ सी. कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ सी जो है वो आपने फाइंड आउट करनी है. वेयर एज उसने कहा एक्स इज इक्वल टू 3 इज़ द लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री ऑफ ट्राइंगल ए बी सी. टू सॉल्व दिस part of question 14 of 6C exercise related to D3 math, which is a math of O level syllabus. तो इसमें हमने क्या करना है, सबसे पहले हम x एक्सिस और y एक्सिस जो है वो बना लेते हैं. तो इफ़ दिस इज़ 1, दिस इज़ 2, दिस इज़ 3, दिस इज़ 4, दिस इज़ 5, 0, 3, 1, 2, sorry, 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is a point which is 0, 3. This is a 0, 3. B is 3, 12. If I take 1, 2, 3, this is 3 and 12. So I take this point as 12. This is B. B has coordinate 3, 12. No, line of symmetry is what? X is equal to 3. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. This is the line which is line of symmetry. I draw this line. You know, you look at this line passes through B. No, triangle ABC has x is equal to 3 as line of symmetry. So if I look at this, here is A, then C would be on this side. Look at, I draw a line. Now look at, this is 3, this is 3. Look at, this is 3, this is also 3. A from this line of symmetry, how number of chambers, I count number of chambers from this line to reach at point A. 1, 2, 3. So when I move from line of symmetry towards A, I count 1, 2, 3, 3 chambers. The C would be on this line at a distance of 3 chambers, but on right side of this line. So I move 3 chambers away. 1, 2, 3. So C is over here. This is C. Look at, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, then this is 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The coordinate of this point is 5, 5, and on y-axis, this is what is the coordinate of 0, 3? This point is 3. No, C point has coordinate 5 is equal to 3. So I draw this line of symmetry which is x is equal to 3, this is 3 this is sorry 3. I draw this line which is parallel to y-axis and perpendicular to x-axis. So from this point, B point lies on the line of symmetry, therefore B has no reflection. But from this line, I will move towards the A and count the chamber. These chambers are 1, 2, 3, 3 chambers. I move on the right hand side 3 chambers away from this line, 1, 2, 3, and reach the point C. B point lies on the line of symmetry, therefore B has no reflection. But from this line, I will move towards the A and count the chamber. These chambers are 1, 2, 3, 3 chambers. I move on the right hand side 3 chambers away from this line, 1, 2, 3, and reach the point C. ठीक है, when I count x coordinate and y coordinate, of x coordinate is 5 and y coordinate is 3 over here. So C point I have calculated.